Hey friends, this is our number skills page 31 and 32. All right, so number one, let me get my pen ready. Number one says, circle the number your teacher says. All right, so for this first box right here, Miss Hendry wants you to circle the number 11. This is one of our new teen numbers, 11. Good, it's right there. All right, for this box, I want you to look for the number 6. 6. Good, it's right here. All right, let's look at this box. Right here, I want you to circle the number 8. 8. It's kind of tricky. All right, because we see a number with the number 8, but it's 18. All right, so let's look at this last set of numbers. Circle the number 12. 12. This is the number we learned today. One of our other teen numbers. 12. Right there, good. All right, so number 2 says, write the number your teacher says. All right, so in the kangaroo box, I want you to write the number 10. 10. Good, a 1 and a 0. All right, in the box with the eagle, I want you to write the number 5. 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. All right, next I want you to write the number 11 in the frog box. 11. 1 and a 1. In the seal box, I want you to write the number 12. 12. A 1 and a 2. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. Good. 12. All right, number 3 says fill in the missing numbers. So what number comes before 2 at the very beginning when we count? 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right, flip over on the back. It says, look at the picture, count and write how many of each object. So let's look for the acorns. Let's count all the acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6. All right, let's look for the leaves, the orange leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, across the sky, down from heaven. This is how we write a 7. All right, let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. All right, let's count these gray squirrels. 1, 2. All right, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. Next, let's look at the yellow leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Let's count the pumpkins. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way we make a 3. All right, sweet friends, keep practicing.